Mochi.
Welcome to Miss Wang's Kitchen. I am Mei Wang. Today we are going to make microwave mochi with black sesame paste. First, divide the black sesame paste into 6 portions and set them aside. Next, in a medium bowl, add the glutinous flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 80 ml water, and some pink food colorant. Mix everything together. The batter should be very runny. Cover the batter. Microwave it for 1 minute. Mix the dough again to make it more elastic. On the plate, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Coat the dough with the starch and press it down into half centimeter thick. Cut the dough into 6 portions with a scissors. Take a portion of dough and stretch it a little bit. Place a sesame ball in the middle. Fold 4 corners toward the center. Pull the excessive dough to the bottom and then form it into ball shape. And it is done. Enjoy!